Hello, excuse me?
Hello. Welcome to Nunjumper Country. Please throw a handful of water into the river to acknowledge the spirits.
Yes, sure. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Have you acknowledged the spirits?
Thank you for the welcome. I have come a long way to talk to people here about the traps.
What interests you about the traps? We understand that the traps were destroyed by white people, so we thought might be able to share the story of their existence.
Okay.
One time, up above me about 20 or 30 feet, the water was right up there about a month ago when we had the big rains come through. And back in the early days when I was growing up on the river, when you got a big rise like that, the river hung around at that level for 2 to 3 weeks and it gradually fell back. But now you can stand and you can watch the water going back. Yeah, well, I can talk about where the white man ruined the fish traps here. They put a weir up above it here, and ever since they built it there, when you get a bit of a flow, you get dirt over the weir, and it's just laying below the weir there now, and it's covering up all the rocks and all the fishery. That's why we got all the silty, because of that weir there.
I hear they are very old, maybe 1,000 years old, and they used to catch fish.
Not the thousands years old. The fish traps have been used by the people in this area for over 40,000 years as a source of food. They were built in a way that allowed fish to enter, but not leave, making it easier for people to catch them. There are different techniques used to catch the fish, including nets, spears, and traps.
I would love to see how they work.
If you go and help the community, you can see how it is done. Then come back, you will be rewarded.
Okay. Hello, excuse me?
Hello, young man. How are you?
I'm good. I would like to help you.
Appreciate it. Please fix the 2 holes by adjusting the stones. Adjust the stones! Adjust the stones!
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Return to the elder!
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Return to the elder!
You have done great job. Let's move to next level.
Yes, I am excited.
So now you understand some of the complexity of the traps.
That's really interesting. Can you teach me how to catch fish in the traps?
Sure, I can give you a challenge. If you can catch a fish using one of the traditional methods, I will reward you with a freshly caught fish for your dinner.
Sounds like a deal. What method should I use?
Let us start with the trap you repair. This man will show you how to set up the fish net, and then you can come back and check it later. Catch the fish and come back. Catch the fish and come back. Additional methods. I will reward you with a freshly caught fish for your dinner.
Sounds like a deal. What method should I use?
Let us start with the trap you repair. This man will show you how to set up the fish net, and then you can come back and check it later. Catch the fish and come back. Catch the fish and come back.
Hey, thanks for fixing the traps. How can I help you now?
I would like to learn how to catch the fish in the traps using fishnet.
Ooh, we need a fishnet to catch them. Go and meet Auntie June. She usually has the nets.
Where can I find Auntie June?
Auntie June is on the opposite side of the riverbank. Go and get the fishnet.
Bar to Gandabuka, a sacred place of the Nyimba people. And then he stepped over to Byrock, where he left the mark of his footprint on a stone, and then he came here to Brewarrina. He stopped at the waterhole known as the Gurungra, and he was mighty hungry. He looked around, and behind a rock wall he saw a large black fish swimming in a pool of water. He raised his spear and struck the fish. But he was only wounded, that black fish. He took off, crashing through the rock wall down there, and the water came gushing out after him. That fish, he burrowed deep into the hard ground to get away from Byami. But Byami, he would have none of that. He dug after that black fish, cutting into the hard ground, making large holes in the earth. And as he chased the wounded fish, the rushing waters filled in the holes. Byami chased that black fish for a long, long time. See those bends? Well, that black fish, he made those bends as he tried to escape. And do you know what happened to that black fish? Well, he got away. But that doesn't matter, because Byami and that black fish created our mighty river, which runs as far as the eye can see. And so, for a while, life for our people was good.
Take the fishnets. They are beside Humpy. Take the fishnet to the river.
I caught the fishnet.
Great. Now, while we wait for you to catch your fish, you can help me gather some eggs. We'll take them up the river where there were not many fish found this flood season. All right, let's head back to the trap and see if you caught any fish. Look, there are fish in the trap.
Wow, that's amazing.
Enjoy your fish.
You have done great job. Let's move to next level. Well done. You set up trap in a good place. Let us try something more challenging now. How about catching a fish with a spear?
A spear?
Follow me. Don't worry. This man will teach you how to use it. It takes some practice,
fish and
but
come
once
back.
you get the hang of it,
Watch me.
I did it! I caught a fish with the spear.
well done. You are a quick learner. You must give that to the young fella who helped you set the trap. He needs his share of the food.